We have a large selection here of F-250s here at Loganville Ford. This is one of the ones we have here available for sale. It is a 2016 Lariat. Very nice truck, very clean. Right next to it, I have a 2020 Ford XL STX. Also have right next to it a 2017 Ford Lariat, carbonized gray, beautiful truck. And I also have a Dodge 2500 Cummins diesel that's for sale. So you can see I have a pretty large selection in Super Duty trucks. I'm just going to show you all around the trucks. All of them are very nice trucks, as you can see. No dents, dings. Very nice. So let me know if one of these will work for you. My name is Curtis Tisdale. I do want to thank you again for allowing Loganville Ford to assist you in your truck purchasing experience. Thank you. Have a great day.